Hey everyone, today, we're diving into the essential features of managing WhatsApp templates in WhatsJet. Let's get started. WhatsApp templates are predefined message formats that you create within the Meta WhatsApp Manager that can be used to send messages to contacts via the WhatsApp Business API. In WhatsJet, templates are used to manage format of WhatsApp messages, which are used to send WhatsApp messages to single contact or to the bulk contacts via campaigns. Click on this button to manage templates. This link redirected on the Meta WhatsApp Manager page. Now just click on Create Template button to create message template. Choose a category of new message template that best describes your message template. Enter the name of your message template. Choose languages for your message template. You can delete or add more languages in your message template. Click on the Continue button. Now add a title or choose which type of media you'll use for header of your message template. Enter the text for your message in the language you've selected for your message template. Add a short line of text to the bottom of your message template. Once you have done all the information, then proceed to submit the template. Confirm your template language. Now your message template submitted. Now this template ready to send WhatsApp messages to single contact, as well as send template message to the bulk contacts using campaigns. After submitting messages template, click on the Sync WhatsApp Template button to update the template in WhatsJet. To edit WhatsApp message, click on it. This link redirected on Edit Message Template page. Clicking on this button to delete WhatsApp template. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.